Today in this video, we are going to show you how to fix your Netflix if it's not working on your Philips TV. We are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient. Here wait for the 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If not clear the problem, let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Go to settings or menu button, all settings, wireless and networks, wired or Wi-Fi, clear internet memory, and then OK. If your Netflix is working again, if not, clear the problem. Let's go on to the next try. Method 3. This is last thing. Usually will do the trick, but this is a factory reset. So we are gonna reset your TV. Settings or menu button, all settings, general settings, reinstall TV. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.